8.43 acres we have to convert to square meters. We write this problem as 8.43 acres Now, we have to eliminate acres. We're supposed to use the proper conversion factor. 1 acre is equal 4,047 square meters. This is the conversion factor which I'm supposed to use. Keep in mind, if you want to eliminate acres, you have to make sure that you are going to have acres in the denominator of your conversion factor. So if 1 acre is equal 4,047 square meters. Acres are going to cancel out, and your problem is going to look like this right now. I have 8.43 times 4,047 square meters. Plug in these values into the calculator and calculate, and you will have 3.4116 times 10 to the 4th square meters. So area of 8.43 acres is equivalent to 3.4116 times 10 to the 4th square meters. This is the solution to this problem.